The reason why the Festa Mayor started in the dark this year, and it's because we have here some of the climbers coming down with the fire, which will then start at Purafoc. Quite nice new symbol, I must say. Yes, now we just lack a devil to hand it over to.
Cuidado, desinfaz. Yep.
Quite a nice symbol, in fact. We are at the Festa Major Villanova's Cruise 2011.